Hello and welcome. This will probably be a relatively short video. I just want to go over some points regarding this 3D printed camera bracket that you can use with the 1-inch PVC overhead camera frame. First, when you print the bracket and the 3 knobs, use supports, but when taking it out, make sure you're careful with the walls, especially on the knobs. There are 2 little tabs on the knobs that help hold the nuts in place. You're going to need 2 3.5-inch bolts, 1 1-inch bolt, they're all 1/4 inch diameter, and 4 nuts. To begin, you will remove the supports, put your bolt in place, and put 1 nut here, and this will help it from popping out whenever you're assembling. These are not necessarily 100% required, but they really do help keep it in place. Once you have that in place, these bolts should be fairly flush with the surface in order to keep it from hitting the camera. Next, you will need to mount on 2 of the knobs your nuts. Now you will find that they're kind of difficult to get in because of the little tabs. So if you used another bolt, that will help you stabilize it and get it in place. And you probably heard that click, and that's when the nut passes the little tab. That's it for the mounting of these. Next, you need to mount your 1-inch bolt to one of the knobs. And this may be difficult to get in, so you might need to use an extra nut on this side to help you pull it in. You will also need this bushing, and this will help separate this thread and give you some distance when you put it on the front side of the mount, so you have distance here about 1/4 inch, more or less. And that's all for the assembly. So I created this small makeshift mount so you can see the mounting, but first let me put on this little camera. Okay, have our camera on there. Now let's put on the back. Put our knobs. Tying it up. And as you can see, it's fairly solid on there. It does not move easily. Right, so that's all. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave it on the comments below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And do not forget to subscribe to EboHub on YouTube. Thank you.